Yes, Jamaica. This is Rondie on the radio. Right now, Teba Mountain. Wow. Wow, look at that. What's that? Who said that? So we can't park here?
Outside, there's a parking area.
Okay, thank you guys. Yes, Teba, how do you feel have you ever been on the cable?
Yeah, been there. I used to be a Boy Scout. So I've been up there on foot. I've been on the cable before. So, but it's always refreshing to reach the top of the mountain. I love ghetto youths need to go more to the top of the mountain, Teba Mountain, because I like heritage, you know. Yeah, man. We need more melanin people them to get the chakra and energy from the environment, you know. Creation needed for me. All right, quickly. What happened to you? Every day, man, look at it, man. Every day, man, is full. They man make mad money.
Wow, so the wait is like, what, an hour?
To about no cloud.
Well, I said to me, my lord.
Too long.
My lord. So you know what I could do? Where I go?
Take yours.
You know what I could do? I like the view, so I could do a view tour today, and tomorrow morning we get up early. You see, we didn't plan to plan.
Early.
God, them things are to our business. Everybody want to be on the cart, the cable, and only one or two cables sting them out.
I tell you,
we hold about 5 people.
More than that, maybe 10.
Yeah.
And all of them is foreign, European.
Yeah, we get here we find out what time they open.
Yeah.
We find that out, and then we come back here. It's a good thing if you have a car, because if I took an Uber here, then I would have to take another Uber back, and planning is key, but with that whole vibe, and I come from the Pan-African business anyway. 50% of my business. I come up early, but the view of Mr. Safar, wicked. I'm definitely bringing my daughter back here, and we have the links and everything. I've learned the routine. I know I bring all the Jamaicans them come back here. Yeah, man. Jamaicans. So hold on, we're going to just pull up somewhere and take a picture.
All right.
But we have to find park. But we'll do it tomorrow. No worry, no stress yourself. God, man. Teba Mountain, man, another vacation spot in the world. At least the tourists support the infrastructure.
Yeah.
And it bring money and great jobs, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
So collectively people are going to work together and make the world a better place, yeah? Because you have to give thanks to the tourists, them, you know, them always...
Support the...
Yeah, man, tourists, big up to all tourists and all different color, culture.
Same.
Because, you know what, in Jamaica, without tourists,
Yeah, man.
you see me, tourists help the infrastructure, so you have to big up tourists, and that's why, man, every day you get up and hate people because of skin color. You gotta kill yourself, because I know everybody determined bad for the world. Yo, Teba, slow down, come right over here, son, bro. Right over here, son. Just want to see us bring the Jamaican in. Just you know my people, yo. Now beg, you know, I don't know how to say this in English, but I'm so passionate, Teba, about just having my. Listen, I don't like to be the only one having fun in the world.
Yes, sir. You're right. It's pure, bare niceness, you know, Cape Town.
Teba,
Sunny.
I don't like having fun by myself.
Never been doing
You see what I say?
Tell them if you come true,
So,
man.
you see the thing is, Teba, more want the whole of them.
Yeah, man. You see me?
Teba,
No,
if I
right.
move to South Africa, I mean, I'm a Jamaican people around me. I know some have you, but
Jamaica come true to South Africa, Cape Town City, trust me, no, man. I go love it. Make this your second home, if possible, your first home. Trust me.
and I'm gonna show you why people. Me not like. Wait, is that Benji right? Listen, me not like to have fun by myself. Teba, come here, Teba, come. Ah, Jamaicans, Jamaicans, Jamaicans. Ooh. The weather, amazing. The air, super amazing. The cable car is going all the way up there, so you have that view, right? And talking about the tourists. Oh man, Cape Town. Yes, I made it. Oh wow, I know you guys want to see the view for a while, so I'll just take a picture. Yes, Jamaica, another Rondie tour. I don't like having fun by myself, so I'm gonna outline the itinerary for you now. And you see a driver, Teba. Let me take care of you. Teba, let's move out. We'll go to some scenery tour. Are we gonna buy fish from Mama today, or we're gonna what we gonna eat? What restaurant are we going to today, Teba? What is the adventure?
We could
We'll get the Robben Island ticket at Robben Island, or do we order it online? We do it online?
you can do it online, or we could go to the waterfront. Waterfront is another
View.
view.
Let's do view, everything view today. Rich house, big house.
Yeah.
You see, and then what we want to do, we still want to hold some vibe. A nice restaurant, Teba. You see me?
Alright, make me make a turn, yes. But I make a block. Check out the lizard.
This is the Teba movement. The Rondie and Teba film. No, Rondie and Teba are two Pan-Africanists, so they never know that Rondie was a serious radical. You know, Teba, them never know that he's a rebel, you know. Them say me joke out the thing a whole time, them say, yo, Rondie's a little damn idiot, you know. Them boy, they are sample. You know, I have some Jamaican bad man, when them hear me upon the thing, them say, yo, them boy, they are sample, you know. Them don't know, so me change it up, you know, Teba, them things are me easy. Them boy, they are sample.
Take a little lick, man. The tank full.
Yeah, I forgot about that tree there, Teba. Go hide now. Your house, I break the law, Teba. Everywhere you go, you break the law. You see me, I said, this rebel thing,
Make them this a rebel.
this rebel thing has to end, Teba. We can't be doing a film and you're always breaking the law, bro. You have no driver's license. You're taking ЛIKE on the Table Mountain. What's going on with you, Teba? Let's check out the view. Oh, yes. Guys, you remember the last video I did with Patrick? Yeah, Baba, Patrick, so Teba. So here's what we're going to do. You know, I'm always planning with you. So now we're looking at South Africa. We're looking at Jamaica. I'm going to Johannesburg also. And then I'm going to Botswana. So you guys now have a link you have a link now in Cape Town. So you link up with Teba and he'll bring you to the spots. We're trying to figure out land acquisition and how we could start developing business here. So that's why I want other Jamaicans to pay attention to this, because the life that they're living here in this part of Africa, the psychological impact from that Western ideology is not really here. This lifestyle is what I want my mother to enjoy. Teba, you good?
Yeah, man.
Watch yourself, be careful now, Teba.
Yes, sir. You don't worry yourself first.
So tell the people about, I know you keep telling me the land acquisition thing in South Africa is complex.
Yeah, man.
But how do we start the process? I mean, our business, if I wanted to open up a restaurant here or any business, do I just team up with someone like you and you rent the spot and then we start the fish fry, Escovi's Little Jamaica restaurant franchise? How do we do that? And who do we need to speak to who could give me these answers?
Now, you see, if you check, like last night, yesterday, there was one of our African traders in the city. So enough organized Africans will come with some proper budget.
Yes.
You just rent out the space, man.
Good.
Like any trading man or woman. So you check out an available space, you rent it out, standard. Especially in this new dispensation, equal rights and justice. You see it? So you have to just...
So if I teamed up with a couple of Jamaicans and I says, all right, we'll put some money together and we're going to open up a little Jamaican restaurant and put a little, you
see, there's one of other African foods, cuisines.
Yeah.
There's hardly real, authentic Jamaican eatery in the Cape Town. You see it? So any man who have a business vision come to Cape Town by the coastline, trust me, no man. And Cape Town is a Rasta capital. You see it? So you could ask Sizzler, Capleton, Chronix, Anthony B, Winston Rodney. They know Cape Town and they know the vibes. But me I tell you some man, me check some few Jamaican eatery, some not real thing, just a sample. But if real yard man them come through and give the authentic rice and beans, jerk chicken, fish and ackee, you know, the whole menu and come and do it, trust me no man, you never go wrong. People love food. If it's proper, it's done. You see?
Well, yes.
No competition, Rasta. Trust me no man. There's something about Jamaica. The music is out there already. No people try to get the food now and other things. So, yeah, man, if you come through.
Yeah, man.
You see, when we leave this side, I would take a stroll. Last night, it was at night. You could never see the coast. But if you go there right now, you'll see the business. Enough Brazilian crew come and bash up the beach and play volleyball and all of them thing them. Imagine have some dancehall queen Teba thing there. A real authentic. Few weeks back we had a reggae thing on the coastline, but we're in collaboration with Red Bull and Surfers. What a thing, man. People love it. So, yeah, man. Jamaica have to come through, man. Jamaica, man, them people. Jamaica and the girl, them, of course, have to come through.
You have to say woman, because when you're speaking to Jamaicans, you can't say gal.
Oh, man, the Empress, them.
Yes.
Man, the Nubian queens, them.
You see, when Jamaicans come here, they correct The Jamaican dialect. So people hear me speaking this as you're not Jamaican.
Yeah.
They don't understand that.
How are we care, man? Oh, that's
Car still open. Phone in on the car too. Teba. Jamaica, it was $378 to rent this car. And thing. You have the keys, Teba?
Yeah.
And it was $22 a night to stay where I'm staying. $22 a night. You know, Teba living at the garrison. And Teba is a Uber away. So Teba can literally come to your spot. All right. I mean, I love to explore and to bring my people where I am because together we're stronger. You know, being out here as one Jamaican, and I have some links, but my brother in West Palm Beach, I think we have to seriously start thinking of our size of our homes back home and the car cost. And I'm looking at this, I'm like, wow, there are people here who actually own homes here.
Yeah,
so
man.
my question is to our people, how come we know own nothing in yourself?
It's a system, man, but step by step.
Step by step. The awareness.
You're already there.
The awareness.
You see, over there, so, we have some Rasta thing going there. You see, this is a suburb, but there's a farm there, so some Rasta man around it. They might run a market of some sort.
Yes, sir.
So we there step by step, Rasta.
Okay, good. So Rasta, you guys first established the boots on ground, and you first kind to deal with that first. That's what.
Yeah, man. You see, I have to be diplomatic. You see, the material say that South Africa has one of the best constitutions in the world. You see, because a long time black people are suffer. So the new government make sure that if one practice them rights, you could have access to property and proper things. You see, if you just have to deal with proper things with the right attitude, you could do anything, man. But when we collective, progressive, you could do it. Utilize Ayana as a local Rasta. You see me? You just bring in the investment, pay tax to the government. They're gonna love you. We start our reggae, massive events. People them love reggae.
So we can just open up a reggae club.
Yeah, man. Reggae club with food.
Oh Lord, it done. I mean it that simple, you know, come out the music already. I mean can't cook in a table, I can't really cook it.
And slowly we go to the radio.
Oh,
easy, special reggae.
Easy. So you mean so me really have to spend a month yourself?
Rasta.
A good month.
You could get people come to learn Afro-Jamaican language. You see, that's how lucrative this city is, man.
Because once we open up the little Jamaican...
But if you remember, only Jamaica could do it Jamaica like Jamaican. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Straight.
Yeah, man.
So we have enough Africans here, so man.
Well, then we try.
But we are weird for Jamaicans to come through, Rasta.
Oh, flag it up,
Yes,
flag it up, my hygiene and sister. Randy, I'm an ambassador coming from Jamaica to tell me people them say, hey, we better wake up, you know. A Rasta man tell me last night at 4 a.m. I go bed. And I talk to a Rasta man with the South Cape and him. I go up on the radio station. And him show me say, yo, Randy. Him know the system, you see me? And him show me say, yo, Randy, Jamaica is a piece of island, you know. When the thing come, it just blow, you know. So he need to come, he have to come as Zion. So when me come as Zion, him say, Randy, at the right place, you're there right now. Because you see, Jamaica is still just like a piece of island. America have traffic and toxic like crazy and bad politics. But out here, so fresh.
Fresh air.
You see me? So you have to deal with the fresh thing.
Jamaica will wait for honor. Yeah, man.
We're the conquerors, so we have to conquer this.
Same.
You see me? So that's why this film is about Teba and the adventure. It's really about conquering. We're a traveler.
Same.
Now we are go Botswana and we are go Johannesburg. I mean, also enough Jamaican over the place. So if we don't have no African links and we're on the website. Teba is going to be delivering the news to us now from Cape Town. So we're doing the movement, you know.
All ghetto use them Jamaican injected. Trust me, no man. So from a distance, you feel the vibration from the island. From long time higher. Even mama, when him dress for kill, him put on Jamaican color. She's a dreadlock woman. How influence that? Jamaica. Come on now. Have to do it. Next light, we go on to Robben Island.
Yeah, we're going to do Robben Island. Make a move through.
Yes, I. So many things.